Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and there's nothing more frustrating than having to deal with a lot of mats in your puppy's fur coat. So that's why I really appreciated this Jaswell pet grooming tool. What's great about this is that you don't have to worry about having all of this equipment, combs, brushes, scissors, to get those knots out. It's a comb and a razor all in one. So when you are combing your dog out and you hit a knot or a mat that is just really hard to get out, and your dog is starting to get uncomfortable or to whine, it works so easy. It gets those knots and those mats out so effortlessly, and it really limits the pain and suffering for your puppy. It has such a great, nice, easy to hold, sturdy handle, and it just combs through their fur and cuts out anything that is in its way, really. It has these nice little claws that come over, and the razor part is on the inside of the hook claw. So the claw part is rounded off, so it's not going to scratch or hurt your puppy, but going to hook underneath whatever knot or mat that you're trying to get out. I think it's a really good thing to have, especially for anybody that has a pet, particularly a pet that has long, curly hair. It is such a useful tool. I think it is an absolute must for pet care to get those pesky knots and mats out. And that's our point of view.